Check out this Ram 2018 1500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, STD, quick order package 22 grams SLT included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, tires, P265/70R17 BSWS, STD, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, monotone paint included, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when ordering special low-volume paint, rear floor mats, manufacturer's statement of origin, bright silver metallic clear coat and 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer,